Hello, everyone. This is Morrissey, and today I'm going to present my signature theme reflection presentation. So, I did the Strength Finders test this week, and my top five signature themes that I got from the test were consistency, developer, empathy, responsibility, and arranger in this exact order. And as I was reading through each description of the strength, there were a few words that resonated with me. The first one is balance. This was the first word that popped up in the description of consistency, which is the first strength I got. This word resonates with me because it directly describes what I strive for in my life: balance. I want to be able to balance my personal life with work and school so that I feel satisfied in each area and no side outweighs the other. The second word is potential. This word appears in the description of developer. This word resonates with me because what's what truly I truly see in everyone and everything. I believe everyone has the potential through God to be successful, to be a good person, and to make a comeback in life and change for the better. Third word is emotion. This word is mentioned in the description of empathy, and the reason this one resonates with me is because I'm an emotional person in the sense that I value emotion and how others are feeling over anything else. And so for this week, the signature theme that I decided to focus on mainly was empathy, because it's a theme that while I already do well in, I still feel the need to work on it more. While I'm an empathetic person, I have selfish thoughts and I have this selfish need for attention and just to feel wanted, and it just completely ruins my empathy. So the strategies I went with were to put myself in the shoes of people I barely know about, to listen more than to talk, empathize more with people, give compliments, and motivate people to be at their best. Positive influences. So from this week, doing the go trying to bring up my empathy. My friends were happy to see me be more open to new people. I got to connect with people who I haven't really connected that much with, and also just new people overall. Got to make new friends, and now I feel a lot more empathetic toward people and less selfish. The action items that I decided to implement were to talk with people I don't have a strong connection with, to talk with new people, to identify sudden changes in emotion, to identify negative emotions and the source of those emotions, connect with people on a deeper level, and do an activity at the end of the day to buffer my emotions so that I don't get any burnout. And so, my reflection from this week, my opinion, the key takeaway from this assignment is to put your signature themes to good use while also strengthening each one so that you can overcompensate for the themes you lack. This assignment really helped me strengthen my empathy theme a little more so that I can be more empathetic than I already am. It helped me open my empathy to people other than my friends. Doing this task brought an internal confidence that I never felt with strangers before. As well, I got to make new great friends. I hope that I can strengthen the other four themes in the same format that I did for this one, because this method was really effective and it worked. And that's all.